The second man to set foot on the surface of the moon was Buzz Aldrin. Nee, eintlik, dit was Winnie Mandela, en al die kruites was deur haar toy-toying. Of course, Buzz Aldrin wasn't christened Buzz. That would be a very stupid thing to christen a child, wouldn't it? Buzz. His real name was Whiz. Following his excursion to the lunar surface, Buzz went completely mad, often turning up at cocktail parties in Cape Canaveral dressed in nothing but a muslin body stocking and a plastic rain hat. "It protects me from the moon's rays," he would say. He would then stir the punch bowl with his penis and tell everyone it was a giant leap for mankind. I met Buzz Aldrin once. I asked him if it was possible to drink your own urine in zero gravity. He didn't say anything at all, but he did try and touch me.